Hi there. Welcome to the Abaqus tutorials. In this video, I'm going to explain the basics of the Abaqus, especially the modules. The first thing we need to pay attention to is the number of modules in the Abaqus software. Abaqus has 11 modules: part, property, assembly, step, interaction, load, mesh, optimization, job, visualization, and sketch. The part module is for creating the geometry of the model. A part created using the part module tools is called a native part and has a feature-based representation. A feature captures your design intent and contains geometry information as well as a set of rules that govern the behavior of the geometry. The property module is to define the material and its properties. The assembly module is for putting parts together as desired and designed. The step module determines the solution approach. The interaction module generally specifies the contact characteristics. The load module is a module defining boundary conditions and forces. Mesh module, as its name implies, is for meshing. The optimization module represents a series of methods to optimize the solution. The job module is to run the simulation. The visualization module is to see the results. And the sketch module is to draw the geometry. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, proud to be a civil engineer, for more civil engineering related videos and Abaqus tutorials. Thanks for watching the Abaqus tutorial video.